keep telling you from time to time. We are from the urban. We are yet to come more and more parking in order to reduce traffics. And also, last few months we have been approving the cabinet for the strict road parking policy, so that nobody can park randomly on the road. And maybe in few months we'll be able to inaugurate few parking, which will really help the traffic in this long city.
So by when this policy will be?
No policy is already in place. This strict parking policy mean road parking policy.
Yes. Has the department started to implement?
Yeah, they have started in few areas, in few locations.
What about the hawkers?
We are in the process of relocation. Don't worry.
By when these hawkers are like?
We are trying at the earliest possible. Even this last week, I had a meeting on this. So my officers on the job are doing this job.
Apart from Khandailat, any other area is found?
Few others. So we are on the process of identification. Those are crowded areas. We try to locate them. For example, like Mukhra and Khandailat.